Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the YouTube Partner Program on mobile. First, open the YouTube Studio app on your device. Navigate to the Earn tab, which is usually represented by a $sign icon. Here, you'll find an overview of your channel's monetization status and progress towards the program requirements. This is your starting point for the entire application process. To be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, your channel must meet specific criteria. You need at least 1,000 subscribers. Additionally, you must have accumulated 4,000 valid public watch hours over the past 12 months. Alternatively, if you focus on short-form content, you can qualify with 10 million valid public shorts views within 90 days. Ensure your channel has no active community guidelines strikes. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can proceed with the application. The first step is to review and accept the YouTube Partner Program terms and conditions. Next, you'll need to link an AdSense account to your channel. If you don't have one, you can easily create a new account directly through the application process. After these steps, your channel will be submitted for review. After submitting, YouTube will review your channel to ensure it complies with all their monetization policies and guidelines. This process can take some time, so patience is key. Once approved, you'll gain access to various monetization features, including ads, channel memberships, and Super Chat. You can then start earning revenue from your content. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.